Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be decorating for Christmas. We still have some autumn bits up, so of course we'll take those things down. I'll take you around with me while I do that. So I'm just going to take down what's left of autumn. I know we've taken down some bits already and we'll start decorating, and we're going to put the tree up as well. So over in this corner is I just have this Witch Spells DW candle that I picked up from TK. That's all I have up here, autumn related. And then I have these pumpkins that I picked up from the pumpkin patch. If you haven't seen that video, please go and check that out. Remove these three things, give this area a little clean, and then I'll come back. Yeah. What is this noise? The Grinch playing the piano. Okay, so I'm just, whoa, this baby is popping out. Oh boy. Don't look at that. Okay, so they're done. But yeah, not too bad. Okay, so the tree is finished for now. I'm probably going to tweak some bits. this is what it looks like. So I changed this cushion cover and I put this one on. Do you know what? It is a little bit tacky, but I mean, I feel like Christmas kind of is. You can kind of get away with that over Christmas. He's really cute. Look at him. A returning fave. So I've got him out, and then up here on the fireplace, we just have these pine cone lights. This is what the coffee table looks like. So I've just got a spiced gingerbread candle burning. I have this little snowflake that is gold on like a wooden stand, and I got that a couple of years ago from TK Maxx. And then I just have this little tree. Over on the store we have a mixture of these pine cones and like other cones. Behind here I have this star which I bring out every single year and have never changed the batteries. I think I'm going to have to change quite a few batteries on these pieces. Up here I just have this little guy and then nothing. I have my little turtle up here as well, but nothing else. Up here I have 2 trees, a little house, and then some crystals back there. And then on this shelf I just have these guys that are always there, a little reed diffuser, and then more crystals over here, and then this little guy. I kept the pine cones over here, I just moved them over. And then down here, this is what the houses look like for now. I'm not too sure. I'm probably going to switch them around. That's what I did last year. I rotated them so much. So I'm probably going to do that, but this is what it looks like for now. Everything for today's video. I really hope you liked it. Please be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and of course I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.